Hope you all are doing well. So, are you all following numeracy skills videos? Literacy skills? Rhymes also. Right? You all are following, right? So, today we are going to learn cursive letters. Let's go and start how to write cursive letters, okay? So, children, where we will write cursive letters? In 4 rule book. You can see we have 4 lines here. Right? 4 lines. So, as if now we are going to learn middle zone letters. Okay? Where we will write middle zone letters? In between these 2 lines. Okay? In between these 2 lines we are going to write middle zone letters. The first letter of middle zone is A. Cursive A. Like this we will write cursive A. Let's start tracing this one. First you have to do is write like this and then come back, make a circle and then like this. Read and trace one more time, children. Cursive A. Cursive A. So like this you have to trace at least 2 to 3 times. Okay. Now I will show you how to write here. How we will write cursive A in between these 2 lines. Start from here. Read and write cursive A. Cursive A. Like this we have to write. See, it didn't cross these lines. In between these 2 lines only I have written. So start from here and write. First I am going to write letter here. Cursive A. See, I am reading and writing. Cursive A. You also do the same thing. So after writing this letter, I am going to take 3 finger gap. After 3 finger gap, put your finger like this and then write one more time. Cursive A. Okay. After that, again 3 finger gap. Point your finger. Write one more time. So totally how many times we have written? 3 times in a line. What is this? Cursive A. So like this we have written, children. I am going to put dots in the same line, you can see. So children, you can see here exactly below this I have put one dot. If you are unable to put these dots, take your parents' help, or else after putting this dot, as we have written here with the help of 3 fingers, right? You can measure the same thing here also. See, after putting this dot, 3 finger gap and one more dot. Okay? Or else you can take your parents' help also. 3 fingers, put one dot. You can see now, same line. Gap in between this also the same. So same thing you have to do. First you put dots here. Leave one line after writing. There should be a gap. See, I am leaving one line and I finished putting dots here. Okay, you try to repeat this, the same line, all the page. Okay, so like this we have learned cursive A. So children, let's write here. Read and write, don't forget to read it. Okay, cursive A. Start from here. Cursive A. Are you reading? Yes. Cursive A. Cursive A. See, I am reading and writing. You also have to do the same. Cursive A. See, slowly I am writing and neatly it is. See? Cursive A. Cursive A. So children, in the next page you have to practice. So this is how I have finished my notes. So in the next page I am going to practice. First, take your parents' help and put dots like this and write cursive A like this. Okay, and then the whole page. After leaving one line, put dots and try to practice the whole page. Okay. Yes. So children, you have learned how to write cursive A. So in the next session, we will learn some other letters how to write in cursive form. Till then, bye bye.